Hey y'all, we are here at a second car show for today in Marion, North Carolina. This is at the high school. It's a fundraiser for the NJROTC. And yes, this is a 69 Super B. 69 Super B. Look at that color, that interior. This is just an amazing car. 69 Super B. Mopar at its finest. 440 with the Ram Charger. That's just awesome. Love the color. Love everything about this car. Love the stripe. The Super B. That's nice. So nice. So clean. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Two-tone interior. Really, really cool. And same folks that own this car as this Belvedere right here. And yes, this is a 426 Hemi. Hemi Belvedere. That's a IROC Camaro leaving the show. You just heard. But, I mean, just look at that. 66 Hemi Belvedere. Check out this interior. How cool is that? Plymouth Belvedere, 1966, with a 426 Hemi. And 69 Super B, 440. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we go, 65 Mustang here at the Memorial Day Car Show in Marion, North Carolina. Actually, I videoed this car earlier today at a different car show, so he's making the rounds just like I am. Check out this rod. Very cool. Very cool little hot rod. What have we got here? Anybody can tell me what this is? Because I just don't know. Looks awesome though. Oh, very cool. There we go. This one's for sale. It's a 32. Very nice. Very nice. 32 pickup. And there goes the 72 Yenko Tribute. Look at that. 454. And there we got some 396 badging. A 72 Nova. Pick your gear. That's a mean one right there. All right, one of my favorite cars of all time. 67 Chevelle. 67 Chevelle Super Sport 396. It's turbojet. I know we got a lot of 67 Chevelle fans on the channel.
Jason Goose.
Looks good. Very, very nice.
Jason Goose, come on down.
Got a frame buggy here. Very cool.
Chris Bird.
Check out this pickup.
Andrew Walker.
Good sticker on the front there. I don't know how many we can seat here, but it's quite a lot. So we got a 1990 Chevy truck. What we got here? Chevy pickup. Very nice. That's really cool. bed. Couple of nice trucks. 53 Chevy pickup. This interior. Very cool. I'm liking that. Awesome. '56 Fairlane, guys. That's some wild color right there. 95 Mustang. It's giving pony rides. That's very cool. 56 Commander. Pretty wild. Not familiar with those. There it is. Very cool. Now this 55 down here I have seen before. Love this car. He's got a, I'm sorry, 56, not 55. 56. He's got a sticker on this car that I really enjoy. Let's check out the patina going on here. Check it out. So there's a sticker. Yes, it's cool, and no, I'm not going to paint it. Love it. 56 Chevy. Here's a 64 Mercury. That's the Mercury Montclair. The 390. Very cool grill. That's awesome. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got lots more coming. Great stuff. Alright guys, here's GTO. I have videoed this car once before last year. Anybody tell me what the year is before I get to the front on this GTO? Is it a 66 or a 67? It's a 67. Check out that grill. Kind of looks like a chain link fence. That's the 67 grill. 400 engine. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Purple GTO. And look right here beside it. See this grill? That's a 66. 66 GTO. 67 GTO. I love this paint job. I mean, that's just cool. I like flames, but I mean, American flag flames, that's just awesome. So 66 GTO, like a burgundy interior, kind of a pearl looking 4-speed car. That's just tough. 389. I like it. Got this hot rod. Literally, that's what it says on it. Hot rod. Okay. Chevy. Somewhere around 40. Very cool. 57 Chevy convertible. I just started up a new Camaro. Check it out. One of my favorite things about convertibles is videoing the interior. So much easier. So this is Big Al's 1957 Chevy with the Krager wheels. Chevy C10. Yeah. 5-speed.
Every other Monday.
Very cool. Check out this late model Camaro. 50. So that's a 2017 50th anniversary of the Camaro. Very cool. 2018 RT Charger. Very cool. That's tough right there. Love it. Mustang. Very nice. Very nice. So you got the horizontal bars on the grill. Makes it a 66 instead of a 65. There's a 65 here today as well. It's got the honeycomb grill. And then a lot of these on that little feature there on the side. It's not really a vent. It's, you know, just for looks, but it's awesome. It has a little kind of 3 fingers that sticks out there. That's a 66. Beautiful car. Hey, man. Mustang here. And Ranger. 06 Mustang. Cool. And 68 Camaro convertible.
I'll fight him every step of the way.
Struck 383.
He wins in the long run, so one way or the other.
Very nice. I like those wheels. It's different. Got this interior. Very cool. 68 Camaro convertible. Custom Deluxe C10. A lot of engine. Look at this Camaro with these wheels. Pretty vicious. SS Camaro. What year is this? 2015 Camaro. Ford F-150.
Okay. Hey, if you've still got your voting slips, they coming up on Larry Mitchell,
BMW 325.
Eddie McKinney.
Sticker speaks for itself.
We're waiting for you. There's no prize. I'm holding back on the music.
325 BMW.
So y'all can do the
1987.
video shoot. So, and I'm running out of voice.
Got this Beetle. 67 Beetle. Oh. 1967. GMC pickup. S10. One Ford pickup. Loving this black. 302. Very nice. So it's a Ford 100. And folks, I do believe this truck is for sale. If you're interested. Nice wheels. Yep. For sale. But there's the sign. Give him a call if you'd like. Good looking 71 Ford. Volkswagen.
Eddie McKinney, wherever you are, you got door prize.
Jet, I'm assuming. And here we go. Dodge pickup. It's a 2000 Dodge Dakota, bagged. Chevy. Check out these bug nuts.
He's actually inside the door body, open up the side door. It looks like a fucking building with all copper pipes.
All right, folks. Lots of variety here today. Hit it again, brother. Hit it again. Hey folks, check out this Supra. One sweet little car. We have videoed this one before. Check it out. Toyota GR Supra.
That's crazy, but it stays right there.
It's the 2020 launch edition, and we're talking about, right at 800 horsepower for this Toyota. That's a bad little car. Bad little car. Alright, this is a 96 Eclipse. Very, very customized car.
I gotta go over this time. Yeah, that's what I got.
Got that wing. Gold wheels.
He's like,
Yeah.
when you walk around, he's like,
That video, go ahead and click into the next one right here. Got lots more great content for you. Come on over, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.